So what is a mole? Well, in chemistry, it does not represent the animal. It's a big number used to represent so small things. Say, for example, I said I have a dozen eggs. Means I have 12 eggs. But if we're to say I have a mole of eggs, I have 6.022 by 10 to the 23rd power of eggs. But typically the mole is associated with a very small particle like an atom or a molecule. This number 6.022 by 10 23rd power is also known as Avogadro's number. But what do we use this for? Well, a conversion problem, say, the number of moles, the number of moles of hydrogen. You can calculate how many atoms there are. Let's say we have 4 moles of hydrogen atoms. How can we convert? So let's just write this down. So 4 moles of hydrogen. Well, we know 1 mole of hydrogen has 6.02, 2 times 10 to the 23rd power of atoms. So let me just take my trusty calculator out. 4 times 6.02 10 to the 23rd power equals 2.4088 times 10 to the 24th power. There is another conversion I am going to teach in this video. And that conversion is mole to mass. Let's say I have 88 grams of carbon dioxide. How many moles do I have? Well, first we need to check how much 1 mole of carbon dioxide weighs. So we need to take out our trusty periodic table. As you can see, 1 mole of carbon weighs 12.0. 1 gram and 1 mole of oxygen weighs 16 grams. But as you can tell from carbon dioxide's equation, we have 2 oxygen, so 16 times 2 is 32. So let's add 32 and 12.01 and we get 44.01 grams. So we know 1 mole of carbon dioxide weighs 44.01 grams. So let's round this up for simplicity to 44. So let's divide 88 by 44. 2. So the answer is 2. We have 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, so the next question says, what is the mass of 3 moles of H2O, also known as water? Pause the video and give it a go. If you are struggling, watch me carefully. So first we need to figure out the mass of 1 mole of H2O. So we need to use the periodic table to solve this. As you can see on the periodic table, the atomic mass unit of hydrogen is 1.008. But as you can see from the equation, we have 2 hydrogens. So 1.008 times 2 is 2.016. And now we have to check the atomic mass of oxygen, and that is 16. So if we add these 2 numbers together, we get 18 grams. Right here is the weight of 1 mole of H2O. But the question did not ask for 1 mole, it asked for 3 moles. So 18 times 3 is equal to about 54 grams. So 3 moles of H2O is equal to 54 grams. I just want to say thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe for more videos on maths and science.